I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, project and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Math, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Access, Java, Writing and many more courses. Please contact me for your course help on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, project, all simulation training, midterm exam and final exam. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, Simnet and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our project to solve step by step. Title of project is that assignment 1 Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project. Okay, basically we will have to download this file from Simnet website. You can download this file easily from your Simnet website. I have also downloaded this file from Simnet website. In this project you added a worksheet for wherever shoes that tracks their product inventory. Okay, now we will start here. Skill covered in this project: open and save a workbook, open and save a workbook and change zoom size and remove a split, freeze panes, format label and values. Use the fill handle to copy a formula and fill a series. Check spelling, apply a workbook theme, cell style and front attributes, merge and cells labels, insert a column and adjust width and row heights. Okay, use page layout view to insert a footer. Okay, now step to complete this project. Question number 1 is that open the wherever shoes 1 Excel start file. If the workbook, zoom it. Okay, if the workbook opens in protected view, okay, then click the enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Okay, open the wherever shoes XLS. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. The workbook name is wherever shoes XLS workbook. Now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, remove and split and freeze panes. Okay, click the split button. The split is removed. We will go to the Excel workbook and then simply click on split button. Go to the view tab and then simply click on split button. Okay, the split will be removed. Now click cell A4 to freeze the column titles at this position. Click on cell A4 to freeze the column titles at this position. Click the freeze pane button. Click the freeze pane button. View tab, window group. Go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze tab button. This is freeze tab button. A solid border appears between row 3 and 4 to mark the pane. A solid border appears between row 3 and 4 to mark the pane. row 3 and 4 to mark the pane. Point is that scroll to row 31 and click cell E31. The column titles are frozen. Okay, scroll to row 31 and click cell E31. The column titles are frozen. Scroll to row 31 and click cell E31. Tap 3 and press enter. Tap 3 and then press enter. We will tap 3 and then press enter. Okay, press Ctrl plus home. The insertion point return to cell A4. Press Ctrl plus home. The insertion point return cell A4. Okay, now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that change zoom size and unfreeze the pane. Change zoom size and unfreeze the pane. Click the zoom to 100% button. View tab zoom group. Okay. Okay, we will go to the click zoom to 100% button. We will go to the view tab in the zoom group. Click on zoom button. Zoom to 100% button. Click on 100% zoom button. Okay. Now click the unfreeze pane button. View tab window group. Simply go to the view tab in the window group. Click on unfreeze pane button. Go to the view tab in the window group. Click on unfreeze pane. Okay. Point C that the solid border between row 3 and 4 is removed. The solid border between row 3 and 4 is removed. Click cell A1. Simply click on cell A1. Now question number 4 is that check spelling in the worksheet. Click the spelling button. Review tab proofing group. Okay, the first occurrences of Hicken is found as misspelled. Okay, we will go to the review tab in the proofing group. We will click on spelling. Moving on Excel workbook, go to the review tab in the proofing group. Click on spelling button. Okay, select hiking in the suggestion list. Hiking in the suggestion list. Click change all to correct all occurrences of misspelled word. Click change all to correct all occurrences of change all. Okay, spelling check complete. You are good to go. Now moving on, next point is point number D. Click OK. This is done now. Now moving on, question number 5. Use fill handle to copy a formula. Click H4. The formula display in the formula bar. The formula multiplies the quantity by the cost to calculate the values of the current stock. E4 multiplied by G4. Okay, click on cell H4 and then we multiply E4 multiplied by G4. Now the formula display in the formula bar. E4 multiplied by G4. Point to the fill handle for cell H4. Point to the fill handle for cell H4. Double click to the fill point to the formula is copied down the entire column. Fill handle to the entire column. Press Ctrl plus home. Ctrl plus home. Now question number 6 is that click the theme button, page layout tab, theme group, and then change icon from the gallery. Go to the page layout tab, go to the themes group, and then click on themes button. Go to the page layout tab with the themes group, click on theme button, click on icon. Question number 7 is that merge and center the title. Select cell A1 to J1 and then click the merge and center button. Select cell A1 to J1 and then click the merge and center button. Okay, go to the home tab, click on home tab, alignments group, click on merge and center button. Okay, merge and center cell A2 to J2. Select cell A2 to J2 and then merge and center. Go to the home tab, in the alignment group, click on merge and center. Okay, now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that apply cell style and adjust row height. Okay, select cell A1, click the cell style button, home tab, style group, and then select title in the title and heading category. Click on cell A1 in the home tab, style group, click on cell style, and then apply title cell style. Go to style group, in cell style button, apply title style. Apply title in the title cell style. Okay, point B is that select cell A2 and apply the heading 4 style. Select cell A2 and then go to the cell style, apply heading 4 style. Okay, the next is that click the font size arrow and select 14 point. The font size change, otherwise the font size of the cell style. Click the font size arrow and select 14 point. Okay, point the row 1 heading and drag to select row heading 1 to 2. Point 1, drag 1 to 2. Okay, now click the format button and choose row height. Click format button and choose row height. Go to the format button, choose row height. Tap 22 0.30 inches at the new row height and then press enter. We will tap 22, then click on OK and then press enter. Okay, select cell A3 to J3. We will select cell A3 to J3. Okay, apply bold to this from the cell style gallery, select light yellow 40% accent 3. Home tab, cell style gallery, apply light yellow 40% acid 3, apply 40% acid 3 is here. Okay, apply bold to the selected cell, apply bold to the selected cell. Go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold, click the row 3 heading, okay, click the row 3 heading. Now point the bottom border to the row heading to display the resize arrow. Drag the resize arrow to 21.00 new row height and release the pointer button. Okay. You can see this. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. 21.00, 22. Okay, 28. 21.00. Okay, click the zoom out button in the status bar if necessary that you can see all rows. Click the zoom button. Here is zoom button, status bar. Now moving on, question number 9. Change align width format values, apply border and increase the indent. Select cell D4 to F39. Select cell D4 to F39. Select cell D4 to F39 and enter this cell's range in the range area. Okay, this cell will be selected. Now click the center button, home tab, alignment group. Go to the home tab in the alignment group, click on the center button. Okay. Select cell G4 to H39. Select cell G4 to H39. We will select this cell and then enter in the range area. We will select this cell. Okay, click the counting number format button, home tab, number group. We will go to the home tab in the number group. We will apply counting number format. Here is the counting number format. Select cell A3 to J39. A3 to J39. A3 to J39. Click the borders drop arrow, all borders, and select all border. Okay, home tab, font group. Okay, apply all border on this. Okay, point G that while the cells are selected, click font size drop arrow and choose 12 again. Okay, while the cells are selected, go to the font size and then choose 12 again. Okay, select cell B4 to C39 and click the increase indent. Okay, we will select cell B4 to C39 and click the increase indent button. Increase indent button one time. Okay, you can see I have done 75% of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, Python, and many more courses. I can do all online courses. I am also holding many students courses. I have done this project for my many students and I have got A plus grade in this project. Please contact me if you do not able to do this project. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course. You will be free. I will do your all assignments, all simulation training, midterm exam, final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.